Hi guys, welcome to my channel Grammar at 7. My name is Radha. Today I am going to talk about two figures of speech, personification and apostrophe. Personification. Personification is a figure of speech in which inanimate or abstract objects are given human abilities. Personification can also be used to show inanimate or abstract things to be alive. Have a look at these examples. Death lays his icy hands on kings. Here death is personified and is given a human quality of laying his hands on kings. Laughter caught her unguarded. Here laughter is given a human quality of catching. Lightning danced across the sky. Here lightning is given the human quality of dancing. The food was calling me. Here the food is given a human quality of calling. My alarm clock yelled it to wake me. Here the alarm clock is given the human quality of yelling. Apostrophe. Apostrophe is a special form of personification in which it directly addresses the dead or who is not present, or a personified object. Apostrophe should not be confused with the punctuation mark, which is used to show possession or contractor word. Here are a few examples. O death, where is thy strength? O grave, where is thy victory? Here, death, you are directly addressing death, which is not currently present over here. In personification, you will be giving human qualities to death or inanimate objects. In apostrophe, you are directly addressing those personified objects. My dear bike, please get me to work on time. Here you are directly addressing the bike and talking to bike. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Again here you are directly talking to the star, which is a personified object. That's it for now guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos, like my video and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.